Hello again. In the vise today I've got yet another 5-lever Mortice Lock, curtain sided again. This one's a union, 5-lever union. That's the bitting on the key. Now I have picked this open and it's a right challenge for me. There's false gates in top and bottom and it's a tricky lock to pick. So let's see if we can do it on camera. Homemade tension tool, key fold down, you all know about them now. And I'm going to use a 1.2 piano wire. Now when you're using a small gauge piano wire, I like to keep mine as short as possible. If they're too long, they tend to be too flexy, so that's what I do. Doesn't suit everyone, but I like mine. Like it ain't much bigger than the tension tool itself. So let's see if we can get it open. It's quite hard work. You keep going into false gates on it, so hopefully we can get it open in a reasonable time today without dropping into too many false gates. I might cut lucky and get it open quite quick, but that is just more luck than judgment, to be honest. Just gently tickling them levers up. So easy to go into a false gate. You'll see in a minute. It's very unlikely I'll get this open on my first attempt. And obviously I'll go in to quiet spells as well. Little bit of movement then. That lever's a bit tight. I'll just leave off on my tension a bit. Sometimes you can overdo it on your tension. Just trying to go underneath them levers and feel for the ones what just need touching up. I've not gone into a false gate yet, which is a shock. I've normally gone into one by now, so I'm either doing something right or I'm just not even getting anything. A little bit of movement there, but I don't know whether that was a false gate or not. No, it won't. We got the open. So we all know sometimes getting your wire out can be the tricky bit. Let's just go all the way around the net for the best. Yeah, that was all right, that worked. So we did eventually get it open. So let's have a quick look at them levers. Yeah, tricky lock to pick, this one. I've picked a few of these unions, but this is just one of them locks what I find a little bit harder than the others. Right, so let's take it out of the vise so we can get it to you. Right, first lever, you can see false gate in the bottom. This is the bit what I normally sort of get them flying. I tell you what, let me just get this bit of wire and just pull the, there you go. So the first one gone on the floor, but it don't matter, had a false gate in the bottom. The second one has got a false gate in the bottom. The third one has got a false gate in the top. The fourth one has got a false gate in the bottom. You can see that. And then the last one has got a false gate in the top lock. So yeah, it had 5 false gates in, top and bottom, and it's a challenging little one to pick for me. Anyway, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.